You search best mini table saw and see the same product photos everywhere, all silver, all with fake glowing effects. Same claims, same features, same price tags. But here's the thing, just because something sells well doesn't mean it actually cuts straight or lasts. Most of these are designed to look impressive online, not perform under real crafting pressure. So let's cut through the noise and find out which ones deliver when it matters. Product number 1, Nikloa Dual Motor Pro. First up is this Nikloa model that jumps out because it promises dual independent motors, one for cutting, one for grinding. At $141, it sits right in the mid-range sweet spot. The idea sounds great on paper. Separate controls mean you can't accidentally trigger both functions at once, which does improve safety. What really caught my attention was the adjustable height range, 0 to 16, so you can fine-tune depth without risking material bounce. Plus, it comes with 4 different blades, one for electronics, one for metals, one for wood, and a resin blade for delicate projects. If you want a single tool that handles everything from engraving to clean straight cuts, this one's definitely worth serious consideration. Now here's why this actually solves your problem. As a crafter or DIYer, you often switch between materials, sometimes within minutes. Having dedicated blades means no cross-contamination of dust or debris, which keeps your workspace cleaner and your tools sharper longer. The dual motor setup also reduces strain on any single motor, meaning less overheating during extended use. Still, the inclusion of over 100 small accessories suggests it's built for versatility, not just marketing fluff. But there's a catch. Several low-star reviews mention that the instructions are confusing and the soft shaft feels flimsy. Some users reported the chuck slipping during drilling tasks, especially with harder materials like aluminum. Now, some people complained about build quality being cheap-looking. This isn't meant for heavy industrial use, but for home workshops, it holds its own surprisingly well. This is perfect for you if you're into mixed material crafts, wood, plastic, even light metalwork, and value safety features like independent motor control. Skip this one if you need professional-grade durability or plan to cut dense hardwoods regularly. At $141, it offers solid value for money for hobbyists who want one tool to do many jobs. Product number 2, MIMYTH Craftmaster. Next, we have the MIMYTH Small Table Saw, another multifunctional beast priced identically at $141.57. This one emphasizes portability and beginner-friendliness, weighing just 3.25 pounds and measuring 7.1 x 5.5 inches. The dual 795 motors run independently, just like the Nikloa, but MIMYTH adds ergonomic handles and shock-absorbing rubber feet for better stability. If you're new to mini saws and want something compact enough to tuck into a drawer after use, this is a strong contender. What makes this solve your specific problem? Beginners often struggle with inconsistent angles or wobbling tables. This model addresses both with its wide base and clear markings. The spindle lock feature lets you change blades safely without fumbling. With adjustable depth 59 inches and bevel capability 0 degrees 90 degrees, it handles miter cuts and straight lines equally well. Over 200 units were bought last month, suggesting decent demand even without public reviews. For someone building model airplanes, crafting photo frames, or slicing circuit boards, this level of control is exactly what you need. However, some testers noted that the plastic housing around the motor feels slightly fragile under prolonged high-speed use. A few also mentioned the power adapter gets warm after 20+ minutes of continuous operation. Now, while that warmth isn't necessarily dangerous, it does signal internal heat buildup, something to watch if you're doing marathon crafting sessions. Still, for typical weekend projects, it performs reliably. Pick this if you're just starting out with mini saws and want a lightweight, easy-to-use tool with tons of extras. Don't choose it if you'll be cutting thick lumber or running it non-stop for hours. At $141, it's a fair price for the bundle you get, especially if you count the sanding wheels and drill bits alone. Product number 3, Nikloa Brushless Compact. Back with another Nikloa offering, this black version drops slightly in price to $120.97 and swaps brushed motors for brushless technology, claiming quieter operation and longer lifespan. It keeps the same 100W motor, adjustable height, 0-16 mm, and full suite of 4 blades. The transparent safety shield is standard, but they removed the dual switch system found in their higher-end model, relying instead on mechanical interlocks. At 7.09 x 6.3 inches, it's marginally larger than the MIMYTH but still highly portable. So why pick this over others? Brushless motors draw less current and generate less heat, meaning cooler operation during long sessions. The speed adjustment, 7 levels up to 6,000 RPM, gives finer control than fixed-speed models. Plus, with 200+ units sold, it's gaining traction despite no reviews yet. For crafters who prioritize quiet, efficient performance over flashy features, this hits the mark. More notably, a few unverified complaints mention the soft shaft connector loosening after a week of regular use. While replaceable, it's a minor inconvenience. Still, for basic cutting and light engraving, it works flawlessly. The balance of cost and performance makes it appealing. Go for this if you want brushless efficiency and don't mind skipping advanced safety redundancies. Avoid it if you frequently swap tools or need maximum redundancy. At $120, it's the most affordable option here and still packs serious functionality. Product number 4, Zarikov Gold Edition. Now, if you thought dual motors were impressive, meet the Zarikov priced higher at $167.31 but loaded with upgrades. It retains the dual 795 motors, now totaling 200 W max output, and doubles the height range to 0-26 mm, letting you tackle thicker materials like small wooden frames or dense acrylic panels. Internal zoning prevents dust from clogging motors, backed by a 3-year warranty, rare for mini saws. Why does this matter for you? If you make intricate models or furniture joints, being able to adjust depth precisely and replace blades quickly saves massive time. The enlarged worktable 12 cm versus standard 9 cm allows wider cuts, and the improved rubber feet reduce vibration by 75%. Over 100 units sold indicates interest, though again, no reviews exist yet. However, the gold finish scratches easily, and the manual, while detailed, assumes some technical knowledge not ideal for absolute beginners. Also, the weight, heavier due to reinforced frame, reduces true portability. Now, while some may balk at the price, consider what you're paying for: industrial-level reliability in a compact form. It's built for serious hobbyists, not casual users. Buy this if you're committed to craftsmanship and need top-tier precision, durability, and service support. Skip it if you only do occasional light cutting or prefer ultra-lightweight tools. At $167, it's an investment, but one backed by genuine innovation and long-term confidence. Product number 5, RTOVZON Budget Winner. Finally, the RTOVZON at $72.06, the cheapest option by far. Made of lightweight aluminum alloy, it weighs just 3.9 pounds and measures 7.1 x 5.5 inches. Despite its low price, it includes everything needed: 4 2.5-inch blades, a dust pipe, miter gauge, safety bezel, and even 3 screwdrivers. Angles can be set between 0-180 degrees using the miter gauge. For its price, this punches above its weight. The inclusion of a dust pipe shows attention to health and cleanup, something cheaper models often ignore. It's clearly aimed at entry-level crafters or students needing a reliable starter tool. With 100+ sales last month, demand is steady. If your goal is basic wood, plastic, or PCB cutting without breaking the bank, this delivers. That said, the motor is only 96 W, significantly weaker than others, and lacks dual switch safety. Users report it struggles with thick or hard materials, producing rough edges. The plastic components feel plasticky and the manual is minimal. But again, for light-duty tasks, it's perfectly adequate. The value proposition is undeniable. You get most essentials without markup. Don't buy it if you expect professional results or plan to engrave metals. At $72, it's the best entry point, no doubt. So which mini table saw wins? The Nikloa Dual Motor Pro and MIMYTH Craftmaster offer the best blend of safety, versatility, and performance for serious hobbyists. The Zarikov Gold Edition is a powerhouse with unmatched durability and warranty. For budget seekers, the RTOVZON delivers essential functions without compromise. And if you want quiet efficiency, the Nikloa Brushless Compact balances cost and tech nicely. Each serves a different need. Pick based on your project scope, skill level, and how much you want to invest. Whatever you choose, test it carefully and always prioritize safety. Thanks for watching. Drop a comment letting me know which one you picked.